Hey art lovers, welcome to OzArtz. Let's slow down, create and feel our best today. I start with a simple layout, placing one bold fish at the center. In Madhubani art, the main subject is often enlarged and detailed to draw the focus. Here, the fish becomes the storyteller. I start filling in the patterns, scales, stripes, and tiny repetitive elements. This is where the artwork really comes alive. I add vertical plants almost as if they are dancing with the water. Nothing here is random. Every element is placed to create a rhythm. Every section is filled. You will never see empty spaces in traditional Madhubani. Here comes my favorite part, coloring the fish. I'm using bold yellows, reds and blues to make it stand out against the calm blue background. In Madhubani, colors used are flat. There are no gradients and no shading. Fish symbolizes abundance and positive energy, which is why it is such a popular motif in Madhubani. Did you know that Madhubani painting comes from the Mithila region of Bihar and it dates back to 2500 years. It was originally painted on mud walls during weddings and festivals, especially to invite prosperity and blessings. The legend goes that this painting style was used during Rama and Sita's wedding. And interestingly, this art form was preserved and passed down primarily by women, making it a powerful cultural legacy. Now I start defining the bold outlines. This is one of the most important part of Madhubani art. Traditionally, artists used bamboo sticks and natural pigments. You will notice the use of clean, confident lines, and that's intentional. In this style, lines aren't just boundaries, they give the artwork its identity. Madhubani art has different styles like Kachani and Bharni. Kachani focuses on fine lines and detailing, while Bharni uses bold color filling. In this piece, we have used both Kachni and Bharni because it has detailed patterns with strong and vibrant colors. Madhubani is very special. It's not just a drawing, it's about preserving a tradition, our tradition, one pattern at a time. As I add the final touches, everything starts to feel balanced. The bold fish, the flowing plants, and the rhythmic background. There's a sense of stillness, but also movement. That's the beauty of this art form. It captures both at once. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to follow OzArtz for more mindful DIY art. Do like, comment, and share my videos. See you in the next creative break. Bye.